Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get a Renko chart on TradingView. If you've ever wanted a cleaner way to view price action without the constant noise of time-based candles, Renko is a great option. Unlike traditional time-based charts, Renko focuses purely on movement, building bricks only when price moves by a certain amount. This makes trends and reversals much easier to spot at a glance, allowing you to quickly identify important price movements and potential entry or exit points in the market. Start with your chart open in TradingView. Look toward the top left of the charting interface. Right next to the Indicators button, you'll see a small graph icon. This is the chart type selector. Depending on what you're currently using, it might show a candlestick or bar icon. Go ahead and click that icon. From the menu that appears, choose Renko. As soon as you select it, your chart will switch over to Renko mode. That's all there is to it. You've successfully changed your view to a Renko chart. It's really that simple. Now, a quick note on what you're seeing and why it looks different. Renko charts replace traditional candles with uniform bricks. A new brick forms only when price moves a set amount in one direction. Time doesn't control when bricks appear. Only price movement matters here. Rising bricks typically stack upward, and falling bricks stack downward, helping you see momentum more clearly. This makes it easier to identify trends and spot reversals without the usual time-based clutter. Because time isn't the driver, the spacing along the time axis can look irregular. You may notice fewer sudden wiggles compared to regular candlesticks, which are often caused by short-term price fluctuations. This is completely normal and part of what makes Renko charts so effective at filtering noise and giving you a clearer picture of the market's true movement. By focusing on price movement, Renko charts allow you to zoom out and focus on the bigger picture, ideal for trend traders and those who want to reduce market noise. If your interface looks slightly different, perhaps due to screen size, theme, or layout, don't worry. That chart type icon will still be next to the Indicators button, and it will still open the same list that includes Renko. The wording and icons are consistent across both desktop and mobile layouts, even if the toolbar is compact or adjusted. So no matter where you're accessing TradingView from, you'll find the option to switch to Renko just as easily. A couple of practical tips as you get used to Renko. First, indicators can still be used, but their signals may feel different because the chart is no longer time-based. That's expected, as Renko charts filter out the noise that traditional time-based charts might present. This can sometimes make indicators look a little less reactive or feel like they're signaling at a different pace. Second, if the bricks seem too sensitive or not sensitive enough, remember that Renko is based on a brick size. TradingView applies a default method to determine it, but more experienced users often find tuning the brick size in settings to match their strategy is very helpful. By adjusting the brick size, you can fine-tune how sensitive the chart is to price movements and ensure it fits your trading style. You don't need to change anything to start exploring, but just be aware of how brick size influences what you see. For example, a larger brick size might smooth out price action, while a smaller one will give you more detail and quicker responses to price changes. Play around with this setting to see what works best for you. To recap, open your chart, click the chart type icon next to Indicators, select Renko, and you're done. It's that easy. Enjoy the cleaner view and let it help you focus on trend and structure with fewer distractions. Whether you're a beginner or experienced trader, Renko can help simplify your charting and improve your ability to spot important market moves. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, go ahead and give it a try on your charts and start enjoying the benefits of a clearer, more focused view of price action. Happy trading!